In today's video, I'm gonna talk about the hot weather wardrobe and show you guys the basics you need in your summer. Once you are done watching this video, you will be completely aware of how you should come in terms of your men's summer essentials. Hello, what's up my stylish people? This is Hishang. Welcome back to the channel, the best place for shopping hauls, outfit inspiration, shopping and styling tips for Indian men. So moving on to the first and foremost essential is the t-shirt, or rather t-shirts. Having multiple t-shirts in your closet is not gonna hurt, right? My simple recommendation would be going for a cotton t-shirts or a lighter material t-shirts, such as the ones made with modal fabric that feels feather light, breathable and can absorb sweat very nicely. One more recommendation could be bamboo cotton t-shirts or a linen t-shirt. You can go ahead and buy cotton t-shirt also if any one of the above doesn't fit your budget or your styling. Coming to the bamboo t-shirts, we have Essentials brand from Teaching Men's Fashion from my favorite YouTuber Jose Juniga, but unfortunately for some reason I don't know, at this moment of shooting this video they couldn't deliver any of the products to India. So what I did, I found a brand called Aristocrat, which sounds and seems like a like-to-like replacement in terms of what they offer. Coming to the color choices, you can also have fun with the colors and prints by going bold during the summer, but do keep in mind to not go for too bright bold colors. Moving on to the second essential for your wardrobe is the shirts. Simple recommendation guys would be a cotton, plain, solid shirts or flannel shirts and linen shirts, and you can wear this pretty much during all the year. So make sure that you opt for the lighter color palette if it comes to linen, solid neutral colors in terms of cotton t-shirts, and dark subtle medium checks in terms of flannels. Moving on to the third essential is the resort fit shirts or a Cuban collar shirts. These are so much in trend and appropriate for particularly this season. I separated these into a different category from the cotton as well as the linen shirts. These are the Cuban collar shirts and are pretty much available in majority of the fast fashion outlets and available in so many patterns such as florals, stripes, solid, and in this season you can go bold with the colors. My go-to destination for this Cuban collar shirts would be Westside, a brand called Neon. Those are budget friendly but still on par or at times even better than most of the other fast fashion outlets. I have quite a few Cuban collar shirts in various prints and stripes, which you can see in most of my videos. Moving on to the essential number 4 are the tank tops or sleeveless t-shirts, which are my personal least favorite among all these. These are mainly the lightweight sleeveless options. You can go in the summer during chill or relaxed times. Personally, I feel these are mostly appropriate to wear this when you are at home or just like having some fun time when you're around. These could be a better option if you are into that vibe, but unfortunately it's not for me. As we are now done with the upper half, let's move on to the lower half. The most important essential, it's the chinos. These are the best alternative guys to the jeans in the summer without compromising on your comfort as well as style. Most importantly, the versatility factor comes into play here with the chinos, as you can dress it up as well as dress it down. Literally, you can wear this with majority of all the upper clothing you have in your closet. Simple recommendation would be just to go for the neutral colors along with the beige and one pop color to match with the summer vibe. As always, fit is the king and it is important, and they should be at least tapered. One can also opt for skinny or slim fit as per their liking. My personal suggestion would be just like go for a slim fit and make sure that it's a cropped one, at least ankle length, to get the most value out of these chinos. Also, everyone is going to sweat a lot in the jeans during the summer season. That not only makes you stink but also requires your jeans to be washed every single time, which of course they're not meant for. Moving on to the number 6, this should be the linen trousers. These trousers are not only appropriate for the season guys, but also breathable and supremely comfortable. However, they come in a relaxed fit from most of the brands. You can never go wrong with the darker and the lighter shades when it comes to linen trousers. Moving on to the essential number 7 is rather a preference instead of most popular option here. These are the technical trousers, also called the wind dry ones, which can go well with different climatic conditions, and summer is one among them. These are the lightweight, breathable, and if you sweat, which is bound to happen eventually during summer, they dry very quickly, and to top it all, they give the maximum comfort Moving on to the essential number 8, these are the shorts. These are the great options to wear during the summer, both at home or outside. If you are going for a casual evening catch up with your buddies or something like that, it would be better to go for even linen shorts. Most importantly, one need to ensure the length would be perfect in order to look good in shorts. Moving on to the essential number 9 are the most important. Yes, you guys guessed it right, it's the sneakers. My favorite. Footwear is the king, guys, in your outfit. My go-to recommendation would be a clean white sneaker, and if it is a formal alternative, it would be a suede leather tassel loafers. As simple as that. Let's keep moving on to the last essential, and these are the slides. Women always wear slides very casually when lying around or for just quick commuting near your house. These are the particular appropriate ones. These are affordable, as stylish as hell during the season. Please avoid flip-flop, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.